Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning about the Archean Period. To begin, scientists have estimated that the Archean Period began an estimated of 4.5 billion years ago. Also, the Archean period was marked by the introduction of life first on Earth.
The Haynes Eon is the earliest in the history of the Earth, and together with the Archean Eon accounts for 54% of all geological time. During this time, the period was a physical process that was a condensation of tiny particles consisting of mostly silicates and nickel-enriched iron. The period had no large continents, and the Earth collected more mass through the collisions of particles and masses.
Their particles literally fell together until their own gravitational attraction created larger particles, which in turn grew through impact of their own masses. The process continued until planetesimal bodies, kilometers in size, accreted and acted as gravitational dust mops, sweeping through space collecting more mass.
Throughout the Archean and Proterozoic eons, blue-green algae underwent a steady and progressive state of biological evolution, recognized today as the singular common megascopic fossil of the Precambrian time period, the Archean and the Proterozoic eons. For this reason, the Precambrian is often referred to as the Age of Algae, or more specifically, the Age of blue-green algae.
The only species during this time were algae, due to the lack of free oxygen because at or near this time the sun ignited. Its gravitational influence, temperature gradient, and solar wind produced a stronger chemical density segregation among the planets. The rocky planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars formed close to the sun, while the frozen gas planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune formed in the outer orbits.
Some geological events at this time were the impact of 100-kilometer meteors on Earth's early Archean surface and converted 30 to 50% of the crust into impact basins, as well as the production of Archean shields.
Geologists have experienced difficulty in estimating the number of meteors that struck the Earth. Also, they're not certain whether these meteors were of similar size and energy as those that formed the lunar craters on the Moon in the Haynes period. The environment and the atmosphere during the Archean Eon had a reducing atmosphere of methane, ammonia, and other gases, which would be toxic to most of our life on our planet today. What sets this period apart from the periods after it, because there is no period before it because we're the beginning, that marks a difference in the two earliest known groups, 4 to 4.5 billion years old, found in the primordial solar system.
That being said, this increases the likelihood that the Earth accreted as a partially differentiated body, which is where the first life on Earth might have possibly appeared.
I'm the editor. Thank you for watching our videos, and please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you want to see more of us.
I'm Denakar, I'm filming.